Oh, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Moneybags. Not really. I'm not gonna be Moneybags after Thursday. I decided to upgrade because my twin 1080 setup was just not cut. Well, having twin graphics cards these days is absolutely pointless unless you're looking for scores on like Time Spy or whatever they're called. I can't remember. Bench test. Bench. Oh, I've been up for 24 hours, so I feel I've got a headache. My jaw hurts from my headache. I feel shit. And it was busy. It was busy at work, so, and I've got to be up pretty early tomorrow. But yeah, I upgraded. I'm going to buy the 3070 tomorrow. Funny enough, everyone's out of stock, but the people that I know, they've got 3070, 3090, which is a pointless buy. I don't know why you'd buy one. 6800 and 6800 XT. I was thinking of going the 6800, but I decided not, just because it was an extra $150. Yeah, you do. It's roughly the same price per punch, if that's what you call it, or price per frame. It's roughly the same, but I would rather spend. I'd rather spend that extra $150 on a new CPU and motherboard whenever I eventually upgrade, because thankfully I'll be able to keep everything else the same, because I got 32 gigs of RAM, got an 850 watt power supply, so I only have to upgrade that, and I'm gonna go AMD. I'm gonna go Ryzen. I was gonna go Ryzen. I was gonna go AMD, but as I said, I'd just rather save the $150. I'm quite happy from what I've seen online at 1440p. The 3070 on Ultra, everything gets about, most of the time 80 upwards frames. Whereas my 1080, it was just not cutting it. I was usually having to cut it down to low or medium settings, medium custom settings, and it was just looking trash. And I had enough. I hop on my computer so I can play games at max settings. And also with the RTX, I'm going to be getting DLSS2, and RTX, which I am so excited for. The next thing I'm going to get is a 1440p monitor with HDR. God, because my monitor doesn't have HDR, because in my opinion, HDR is more important than 4K. That's just my personal opinion, because HDR just makes everything pop. Like when I play games when I play my PlayStation 4 on my TV that's got HDR, 4K, blah blah blah, it looks better than my computer. And my computer was worth a hell of a lot more than what my PlayStation 4 Pro is. But with HDR makes everything smoother. I find that it seems to make it smoother. I know it's not more FPS. But it makes it smoother. I don't know how to explain it. Oh my god, my head and my neck. I just don't do good staying up for this long. But yeah, and then when I start when I start recording games again, I should be able to finally go back to Ultra with 60 frames a second on every game, except for Microsoft Flight Simulator, because even the top of the range, I don't even think gets that on 1440. But yeah, really late one today. I was about to go to bed. I was in bed and I was like, yep, bedtime. And then I'm like, shit, I still need to make my video. So I'm hoping to God I'm going to make the short, so I'll upload today. Yeah, just a quick update, nothing special. Going to be working on the ferry again tomorrow, just a different one. Upgrading my PC. Finally, don't ever build a computer with two graphics cards. Pointless. Most pointless thing you can do. You get Cyberpunk, which is what I've been playing, uses one GPU, one graphics card. I turned it off. SLI, no difference. I paid $1,200 for each of my cards, so there's that gone. I'm selling each of them for $400. I think I've got two buyers, which means it's only going to cost me $200 to get more than 2 times the power. Oh, in the 3070. I was going to go 3080, but I've learned personally you're better off buying the lower-ish range cards than the top of the range cards, because they always cost more per frame and they're less efficient. That's just my personal opinion. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you've had a good day, or I hope you're going to have a good day. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.